nightmare.
There. You're safe now, Sheila.
Poor Todd. The radiation has caused him to mutate. He becomes half-man, half-monster. Like a werewolf.
But, Doctor, he's my brother. And his big stock car races tomorrow. Ow!
Great Scott! It's a full moon! Why don't you move a little closer, Sam?
This is all right.
Look, can't you at least smile or something? I practically had to bust Kanicki's arm to get his car for the night. Those guys really PO'd at me. Look, I told you I was sorry about last night at the park with Sunny and Riz and everything. I told you on the phone I was sorry.
I know you did.
Well, you believe me, don't you?
I guess so. It's just that everything was so much easier when it was just the two of us.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you ain't going with the guy, eh?
No, why?
Oh. Yeah. I was just gonna ask you to take my room.
Oh, Danny, I don't know what to say.
Well, you want it, don't you?
Uh-huh.
I should have given it to you a long time ago. I really like you, Sandy.
Whoa, Danny, take it easy. What are you trying to do?
What's the matter?
Well, I thought we were just gonna, be steadies.
What do you think going steady means anyway, eh?
Stop it! I've never seen you like this.
What are you getting so shook up about? Relax, lawyer, nobody's watching us.
Danny, please, you're hurting me.
I thought it meant something to you.
You do. But I'm still the same girl I was last summer. Look, just because you give me your ring doesn't mean we're gonna go all the way.
Wait, Sandy, wait a minute.
Look, maybe better just forget about it.
Sandy, you can't just walk out of a drive-in. Stranded at the drive-in. Stranded.